Hariom Bachcho, welcome back in our second standard computer class. This is our lesson number 6, working with Windows 7, and for this lesson this is our second session in which we are going to start from the point where we left in our previous class. Okay, so before we start our actual class, let me first revise few points very fast so we can start. In our previous class we started a new lesson named working with Windows 7. Okay, in this lesson we learn what are the windows in our computer. What are the windows? Windows are basically the screen, okay, the screen of a particular program or a software, okay, in which we do so many things. Now in last we stopped on this point, okay, where we were learning about few buttons which are there present in our windows, in each window. Okay, named of these buttons are minimize button, maximize button and close button. Okay, minimize button, maximize button and close button. Now what are these buttons? These buttons are specially called with the name of control buttons. Okay, these buttons, by using these buttons we can control the size of our window. Yes, you heard right. By using these buttons we can control the size of our window, okay, our window screen. Now how to do it, that we are going to learn in our today's class, so please pay attention. Okay, these are the control buttons. There are 3 in number. We call this minimize, maximize and close button. This is the button minimize. Minimize button is shown with the symbol of subtraction. Remember, subtraction, addition, multiplication, we learn these things in our mathematics class, right? So remember the symbol we use for doing subtraction. Exactly, this is the same symbol for our subtraction. Okay, subtraction symbol is for minimize button. Okay, now one small rectangular square type looking symbol is here, which is for our maximize button. And then in last, the button with the red color and one cross in it. Okay, one cross means this is our X symbol, right, which we use in multiplication also, which we use for showing wrong also, right? So this is the color red, danger, right? Danger means whenever you want to close your program or software after you used it, okay, then you need to use this button, which is called as close button. Okay, now how to use all these 3 buttons we will learn step by step. Okay, now let's move to our next slide and learn about them more. Okay, now our today's first point is resizing window. Okay, resizing window. How to resize our window? हमारे विंडो की साइज कैसे हम चेंज करें और चेंज हो जाने के बाद फिर से उससे वापस से उसके ओरिजिनल सा पोजीशन में कैसे लाए. ओके, that we are going to learn today. So let's read the information first. Okay, children, you can also change the size of your program window as per your need. If your window is in the normal size, bring the mouse pointer at any of the corner of that window. The mouse pointer will look like this. Now let's actually do and see, does mouse cursor really look like this? Okay, so let's check it out. Alright, here I will zoom out from our full screen mode. Now let's see how to change the size. Okay, what's written in our text? if your window is in the normal size, bring the mouse pointer at any of the corner of the window. Okay, now let's bring our mouse cursor to the any of windows corner. I will go with this corner. Okay, can you see I am over here? Okay, I am going in this corner, and yes, okay, let me show you. When I go in the corner of the window, this mouse cursor really turns into two-headed arrow. Okay, two-headed arrow. In the end of both, in both ends, we have arrow point. Okay, now our arrow. Let's do one thing now. Now what to do after it turns like this? We need to left click. We need to click our left button of mouse. Okay, and let it be keep pressed, and let's drag our mouse. Okay, when you drag up, our screen will become big. Okay, when you scroll down in slanting way direction, it will become small and small and small. Okay, let me show how small it became now. See, if I do it more, it will become more small, 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 small. Now I don't even able to read those letters what were in it. So let's do it again big. Okay, I again change the size of it. Okay, now this is how one way we can do it. There is another way also. Okay, by using the maximize button. This is our maximize button. Remember this button, this is our maximize button. When we click on this button, this program window gets the size of our Windows screen, our monitor screen. Now our monitor screen is this much big. Okay, now let's see, when we click on this maximize button, our program gets maximized, means हमारा program बड़ा हो जाता है या नहीं हो जाता है, हम check करेंगे. Okay, now let's click on it. Let's do one left click on maximize button. Yes, it turned in full screen. Remember, I told you. See, this is how it done. Okay, but when you again click on the same button, it will come back in its actual size. Okay, this is how the maximize button works. Now how the minimize button works? Anyone knows what this minimize button do? When we click on this minimize button, this window will go and hide here. Okay, can you see this small symbol here of our PowerPoint presentation program? Yes, this window will go and hide in this symbol. Okay, it will go here and hide itself like this. Okay, now let's click on the minimize button. Okay, see, it went here. When you again click here, it will appear one more time on our screen. Can you see it went very fast and hide itself in this symbol. Okay, it goes on our taskbar and hides itself. Okay, let's click one more time. I'm kinda actually enjoying this. See, I can hide my program like this. See, and now the last one. Okay, last one. Let me open some other program for it. Okay, I am using this program. Okay, because I do not want to close this program, so I will use the other program. When we go and click on this close button, remember the red background and one cross in it called close button. Okay, when we click on this program, when we click on this button, our program gets closed. Okay, let's do click on it. See, our program got closed. Okay, it got closed. That's how we use the minimize, maximize and the close button. Okay, now let's learn more about it. Now this is how we change the size of our screen. We can do one more thing. Remember, not only the corners, but we can go to the borders of our window also. When you use your mouse cursor on the border, okay, when you take your mouse cursor on the edge of our border. Here again it becomes two-headed arrow. Okay, you just need to click your left key, hold it like that, and drag your mouse cursor up or down. It will change the size of your window. You can do it from this side also, you can do it from this side also, from this side also, and from this side also. Okay, you can do it from all four sides, all four edges, borders, on and from the corners also. Okay, this is how you do it. Let's zoom it and go further. Okay, this is how we resize our screen in few ways. Okay, this is how we do it. Now here our lesson number 7 ends. Okay, lesson number 6, sorry, lesson number 6, working with Windows, ends. Now in our second session, in our third session, we will learn about we will discuss and learn about the question and answers for our lesson number 6, working with Windows 7. Okay, so till that time, do watch this video properly whenever you feel like it, and if you have any doubt, please leave your comment or leave your query in our comment box. Okay, you can subscribe to our channel, so whenever we upload any new video, you can watch it. Okay, all right, Hari Om, see you in our third session.